And so in Berlin, this is like the thing to do.
This is the thing to do. Whenever you get drunk and you need a bite afterwards or beforehand, you have a Döner Kebab.
I'm not drunk right now, but I still can try it, you know? When I think of a kebab, I think about Istanbul or Antalya because the Turkish created this incredible dish of seasoned meat grilled on an inverted cone, topped with fresh vegetables, thrown into a pita, and doused in sauce. It's one of the most satisfying meals that you can get anywhere in the world. So when I talk about Germany's capital of Berlin, a kebab might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But just wait and see what I'm about to show you.
Berlin didn't invent the kebab, but Berlin made it better.
As the story goes, huge waves of Turkish immigrants came to Berlin after World War II, and they put a modern touch on the classic Turkish kebab. They called their invention a Döner Kebab. How many years have you been living in Berlin?
Ja, 19 Jahre.
19 Jahre. 19 years.
19 years,
19.
wow.
40 Jahre.
30 years?
30 years?
The doner has gotten so popular that it's the #1 fast food of Berlin. Yes, more than currywurst, and it's a must-try for every visitor.
24 hours, 7 days a week.
You can even see doner kebabs implemented in Berlin pop culture, kind of like the burger craze of America. In certain districts of Berlin, you can't walk 2 blocks without seeing a vertical grill of sizzling meat and people shoving their faces, especially after a night out at the club. I went on a mission to find the best doner kebab in Berlin, so I met up with a German friend who I met 6 weeks ago in Iraq. What's up guys, I'm here in Berlin with my friend Katie in the Neukölln district.
And this is the best place to find the best doner kebab in whole Berlin.
This place called Imren Grill has been around for over 2 decades and they seriously have it going on.
Hallo. Ja, ich nehme einmal den Einrahmen. Ein Döner im Brot.
What did you order?
Döner im Brot and Durum Döner.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Prost. Oh my god.
So?
That is seriously amazing.
What do you think?
Unbelievable meat quality that will make you rethink any other kebab you've ever had. At times, when I walk around Berlin, I feel like I'm in Turkey or the Middle East. It's really amazing, and one thing that just makes Berlin, Berlin.
Teeth? No. No.
Dry? I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.